Hello friends, welcome to Biren's Academy. I am Pramila. Today we will going to start a new topic on literary theory and criticism, that is the theory of imitation by Plato. The time period of Plato was 429 to 397 BC. Okay, the time period of Plato is 429 to 397 BC. The real name of Plato was Aristotle, that means broad shoulder. The real name of Plato was Aristotle, that means broad shoulder. And Plato was the first critic of poetry. Plato was the first critic of poetry. And he wrote dramatic dialogues. In total, he wrote 36 dialogues. You have to remember this here. That is, he wrote dramatic dialogues. In total, he wrote 36 dialogues. Next, we will move on to the topic, that is the Plato's theory of mimesis or theory of imitation. Okay. According to Plato, theory of mimesis, that is imitation, the arts deals with illusion and they are imitation of an imitation. Hence, they are twice removed from reality. This Plato censured poetry because it distorts reality. Okay. According to Plato, what is the theory of mimesis or the theory of mimesis or the theory of imitation? Here, the art deals with illusion and they are imitation of an imitation. How it is an imitation of imitation? See, first of all, when we are visualizing a thing, okay, that is the first imitation or the imitations created in our mind, okay, then that we are presenting in a form of poetry or in a form of thing. That is the imitation of imitation, that we are imitating first and that imitation is represented in the part of writing. Okay, in the part of writing or making of things. That is imitation of imitation. देखो, according to Plato, theory of mimesis বা theory of imitations କ'ଣ? ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷକୁ ଇମାଜିନ୍ କରିବା ତା ବିଷୟରେ ଭାବିବା, ସେଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଆମର ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇମାଜିନେସନ୍ ବା ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇମିଟେସନ୍. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେଇ ଇମିଟେସନ୍ସକୁ ଆମେ ରିଆଲିଟିରେ କରିବା ବା ରିଆଲିଟିରେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରିବା, ସେଇଟା ହେଲା ଆମର ଇମିଟେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଇମିଟେସନ୍. ଯେହେତୁ ସେଇଟା ଅଲରେଡ଼ି ଇମିଟେଟ୍ ହେଇକି ରହିଛି, ଓକେ, ଦେନ୍ ତାକୁ ଆମେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ତାକୁ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରୁଛେ. ଓକେ, ଯେଉଁ କ୍ରିଏସନ୍ସଟା ହେଉଛି ସେଇଟା ହେଉଛି ଇମିଟେସନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଏନ୍ ଇମିଟେସନ୍. ହେନ୍ସ ଦେ ଆର୍ ଟ୍ୱାଇସ୍ ରିମୁଭ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ରିଆଲିଟି. ରିଆଲିଟିରୁ ସେଇଟା ଟ୍ୱାଇସ୍ ରିମୁଭ୍ଡ. ଓକେ. Plato disapproved of poetry because it is immoral, and as a philosopher he disapproved it because it is based on falsehood. Okay, Plato disapproved poetry. It is a very important line. एटा तो मन रखिया पड़िबो. That is, Plato disapproved poetry because it is an immoral, and as a philosopher he disapproved it because it is based on falsehood. एटा कौन इमोरल आ फॉल्सहुड कहीं जेहेतु एटा इमेजिनेशन बा इमिटेशन रिक्रिएटेड होइछि, सेकेंड टाइम रिक्रिएटेड होइछि, जोटा कि ट्वाइस रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम रियलिटी. दैट्स व्हाई ही डिसअप्रूव्ड पोएट्री. ओके, एंड ही सेज दैट इट इज ए फॉल्सहुड. अकॉर्डिंग टू प्लाटो, फिलोसॉफी इज बेटर देन पोएट्री. अकॉर्डिंग टू प्लाटो, फिलोसॉफी इज बेटर देन पोएट्री. You may get the questions on MCQ basis. What according to Plato, which is better than poetry? Okay, that is philosophy, because philosopher deals with ideal truth. Okay, philosopher normally deals with ideal truth, whereas poetry deals with what appears to him illusion. Poetry deals with what is appears to him as a illusion. Okay. According to Plato, philosophy was more important than pleasure of poetry. According to Plato, what is very important? That is philosophy. Because philosophy was more important than the pleasure of poetry. Okay. Plato objective poetry on 5 grounds. Sorry, Plato objected poetry on 5 grounds. Okay, this is ED. Objected poetry on 5 grounds. कौन से 5टा ग्राउंड से ऑब्जेक्शंस करते, दैट इज इमोशन, यूटिलिटेरियन, मोरल व्यू पॉइंट, पर्सनल एंड इंटेलेक्चुअल. ओके, these are the 5 grounds where the Plato objected poetry. That is, first one kono emotion, second utilitarian, then moral viewpoint, personal and intellectual basis he objected poetry. See, in his theory of mimesis he gave an example of carpenter and a chair. Okay, ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ମିମିସିସ୍କୁ ଡିଫାଇନ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ ବା ତାକୁ ବୁଝିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହିଁଥିଲେ, ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ନେଇଥିଲେ. ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍? ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ କାର୍ପେଣ୍ଟର ଆଣ୍ଡ ଚେୟାର. ଓକେ, ଦ ଆଇଡ଼ିଆ ଅଫ୍ ଚେୟାର ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ କେମ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍ କାର୍ପେଣ୍ଟର. ଯେତେବେଳେ କାର୍ପେଣ୍ଟର ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷଟା ତିଆରି କରୁଛି, ସେ ଚେୟାର ଗୋଟେ ତିଆରି କଲା, ସେଇଟା କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି? ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆଇଡ଼ିଆ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ କେମ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ୍ କାର୍ପେଣ୍ଟର. ଅଲରେଡ଼ି ତା ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ସେ ଆଇଡ଼ିଆଟା ଆସିଲା ଯେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଚେୟାରଟା ବନେଇବ. ओके, केमिति सेप रथिबो, केमिति वे रे बनेबो, सेटा द आइडियाटा फर्स्ट द ब्रेन रे क्रिएट होबो. he gave physical shape to his idea out of wood and created a chair. Okay, after that what the imagination he got, he gave the physical shape to that idea out of wood or created a chair. The painter imitated the chair of the carpenter in his picture of chair. The painter imitated the chair of the carpenter in his picture of chair. Thus, painter's chair is twice removed from reality. That art is twice removed from reality. That is, art is twice removed from reality. Understood? See कौन कोची? He gave a physical. जेतोले ता ब्रेन रे गोटे आइडियाटा आसिला जे से गोटे चेयरटा बनइबो, ताकू से फिजिकल सेप देवाई चाहिए. केमिति? वुड रे से गोटे फिजिकल सेप देला आ ताकू चेयरटा क्रिएट कला. पेंटर कौन करछि? से चेयर को इमिटेशंस करुछि जोटा कि कारपेंटर तैयारी करछि. देन से चेयर को से पिक्चर वे रे हमको रिप्रेजेंट करछि. अंडरस्टूड? तो दैट पेंटर्स चेयर, जो पेंटर्सटा से चेयर को भाबिकी जो चित्र रे बनैछि, सेटा कोन? दैट इज twice removed from reality. Okay, that because the thought is first came to the mind of the writer, mind of the carpenter, then to the mind of the writer, the artist who made that picture. Okay, that's why it is called as twice removed from reality. That art is twice removed from reality. Understood? See, according to Plato, poets are, poets or words, no poets. Okay, the poets. According to Plato, poets are breeder of falsehood and poetry is mother of lie. Okay, it is a very important quotation. Kono? Poets are breeders of falsehood and poetry is the mother of lie. This is a very important quotations from Plato's theory of imitations. And his famous work is The Republic, which has strong influence on Thomas More Utopia. Okay, which has strong influence on Thomas More Utopia. His famous work is The Republic. I hope बुझी पारल कौन इमिटेशंस कौन जे प्लाटो कहते इमिटेशंस गोटे ट्वाइस रिमूव फ्रॉम रियलिटी आ से गोटे जेहेतु इमिटेशंस गोटे इल्यूजन्स उपर ही थाए. अंडरस्टूड? से किसी रियलिटी नाही. दैट्स व्हाई ही वाज सेइंग दैट आर्ट इज ट्वाइस रिमूव फ्रॉम रियलिटी. एठी गोटे कार्पेंटर एग्जांपल नेले काहेकि जे कार्पेंटर तार ब्रेन रे गोटे आइडियल मैप करुच्ची जे से गोटे चेयरटा बनइबो देन ताकू फिजिकल शेप दोची थ्रू द हेल्प ऑफ वुड ओके तापरे जो राइटर बा जो आर्टिस्ट से चाहूँगी जे से आर्ट रे चेयर को बनइबे बा ता उपरे किछि डिस्क्रिप्शंस देबे सेटा कोन होची ट्वाइस रिमूव फ्रॉम रियलिटी काहेकि ऑलरेडी सेटा ट्वाइस रिमूव फ्रॉम रियलिटी थिला जेहेतु फर्स्ट सेटा माइंड रे गोटे कार्पेंटर माइंड रे आसला तापरे ताको जेतोळे फिजिकल शेप दिया हला सेतोळे आमे कहचे ट्वाइस रिमूव फ्रॉम रियलिटी अंडरस्टूड सो हियर द आर्ट और द आर्ट ऑफ पोएट्री is totally illusions and it is totally based on imagination. That's why here Plato told that art is twice removed from reality. Understood? And he has written only dialogues, that is he has written 36 dialogues. Okay, and here the Plato's real name was Aristotle. What is the meaning of Aristotle? That means broad shoulder. Understood? And he was regarded as the first critic of poetry. I hope you understood the concept of theory of imitations by Plato. Thank you for the class.